Inara and her 5 cubs have already been on the hunt for hours. Every step takes them further away from the rest of their family into an uncertain future. The cubs are growing in confidence. Chili's smallest, Khaleesi, is still working to catch up. The strongest cubs, Sia and Blue, look out for her. The cubs ate yesterday, so aren't as focused on the hunt as Inara, who last ate 3 days ago. But there's no playtime for these cubs. Until Inara makes a kill, the march will continue. At last, Inara spots her quarry. A herd of springbuck. She conceals her approach. After a month with Chili, the cubs know the drill. Stay back, stay hidden.